Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your AOL account. To delete your AOL account, you cannot do this through your AOL app. You must do this through your browser. So open your browser and in the web address bar type in myaccount.aol.com and hit enter. And remember that you can only delete your AOL account from this particular website. So you cannot go to AOL.com, log in and delete your account from there. You must delete your account from here. And if you don't want to type that in, I'll have the link in the description. And after that, you'll have to log in to your AOL account. And once you've done that, your page should look somewhat like this. Now, all you have to do is scroll down and right over here, you can see your username, and right beside that, you can see a highlighted option named delete. So tap on the delete option. And now, if you tap on continue delete my account, your account will be deleted within approximately 30 days. So tap on yes, continue. And now you'll have to confirm your identity by entering your email address. So simply type in your email address and finally tap on yes, terminate this account. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted your AOL account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.